Sanibonani molweni bethunana. Sisasiphezu kwindaba ka-Uthando Nesithembu, Nkosi yami. We can see lana uMakhumalo has finally accepted to meet uMakhwela, wife number 5. Uyatsho njengoba aqelele imagazine ukubana she seems like she was being selfish. You see, one thing about being emotionally intelligent, big up to Uma K. Honestly, I'll give her to that. Bana, this is what they say. Bana, when someone you are emotionally intelligent, bana, it doesn't help me to not accept this thing because either way it's going to happen. I might as well accept it. This is what they say, bana, if you can't beat them, rather join them. So that's what Makhumalo has decided, and she's being mature about yonke le ndaba ka number 5 bana. She does accept, and she does speak of her struggles also of not having abantwana ke. That is a very sensitive topic that she had to touch on bana. She doesn't want to seem like akamunwabelanga uMakhwela ukubana she's in, and already she didn't necessarily have to say ukubana she's in, and already uMakhwela rumored ukubana nalamntwana is here, because nobaba umseleko nje has been saying ukubana he's got 7 daughters, so kusho ukubana inkwenkwe ke lo mntwana. So yeah, uMakhumalo uyatsho ukubana hayi yena she welcomes number 5. It's not like she had said ukubana akamfuni. Hayi, I guess we all have to process things that we'll be facing at that moment in different times, and when that time is right again, when we feel more comfortable about the situation, then we open up about it, and then again we move on, guys. Owacho ukubana whether abantu bayamfuna, whether people will go, okusalayo umseleko will continue marrying abafazi. No number 5 singafumana ukubana akuyena okugqibela, Nkosi yami, because umseleko uphezulu kokubana he wants to have 20 kids. He wants to have 20 kids. So if the wives that he's got right now and they're not giving him, or God is not blessing them with those 20 kids, his plan is to continue and marrying other wives. It doesn't matter to him even if he marries 10 wives, that will give him 2 kids each. So be it, because that is his goal, to have 20 kids. And I think ukubana he still stands on it ukubana before he leaves to emhlabeni apha, he wants to have 20 kids, and he's willing to do anything to get those ones. What do you guys think of uMakhumalo accepting uMakhwela?